I've been doing research in developing and testing simulation-based training for over 15 years now. I got into healthcare simulation more recently, about 5 years ago, and realized that making healthcare training better was a lot of fun and really rewarding. We're really grateful to have our research funded from different agencies, including the National Institutes of Health. The Department of Defense has funded research, and then even closer to home is the Florida High-Tech Corridor. With the support of these organizations, we're able to expand our research looking at emerging technologies for healthcare simulation. We're looking at what's the newest available technology and then seeing what kind of situations might lead to better learning outcomes utilizing those technologies. The reason why it's so great to get the support from the Florida High-Tech Corridor is because we're able to support more students on these projects. So the students are able to learn how research and development happens, not just in an academic center, but also with small businesses that we're partnering with. We've got a very active medical research community, so you have a lot of subject matter experts and resources available to support doing research in this area. In addition to that, we've also got a lot of startups and technology companies based here in Tampa, and we're able to partner with those companies in order to look at the most recent innovations that we might be able to utilize, partner with these companies to expand healthcare education, access to and quality of healthcare education.